city girl Uyimarte. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you these home remedies on how to look younger than your age. But before going into this video, please, if today is the first time of coming by, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. And as well, drop your comments at the end of this video. Let me know what you feel about this video, and as well give my video a thumbs up if you like it. So without further waste of time, age is just a number, and yet everyone want to stay young forever. Then a lot of people have been trying bizarre things just to look younger, some surgeries, some going south just to look younger. But today Uyime has a secret, and this secret is just a natural God-given remedies which I'm gonna be using to share with you, to show you how you could look younger than your age. Okay, so age is actually a process, okay, which can never be hindered, neither stopped by anybody, except you want to change your lifestyle. Lifestyle choices actually helps in anti-aging and helps in looking younger than your normal age. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you these natural lifestyle choices you could go for, which is just the food part of it. And this food part is what gonna help you. The two home remedies I'm gonna be using is tomato and cucumber. So the tomato is just the tomato juice, and cucumber, which I'm gonna blend the two things together and share with you how you could use this and look younger than your age. Tomato is actually an anti-aging juice, is an anti-aging fruit which helps to get rid of wrinkles. It helps to get rid of age lines, okay, that's fine lines in your faces and thereabout other part of the skin. Then this tomato, it contains its own lycopene, which helps in that's your skin. It brings out your skin color and helps in toning your skin as well. So tomato is super good when it comes to natural remedies. So I'm gonna be taking you around on how to go about blending these two home remedies and taking it so you can see the real result. Let's go right into this video. So guys, here is the DIY of how to go about. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to start blending my tomato. I don't have a blender, I use grater. Okay, this hand blender, hand grater, anything that you call it. Okay, this is what I'm gonna use to get my tomato juice. You can decide to use any amount depending on the number of people that are about taking this anti-aging. So what I'm gonna be using is just 2 tomato. Okay, I'm gonna be using just 2 tomato, and I'm gonna add my cucumber to show you how to go about this. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my tomato. Okay, I'm using hand blender. I don't have a good what's this that I'm saying? Sorry, I just spotted something, because that's the essence of cutting the tomato. So to avoid all those uncalled for things, though there are still proteinous according to Africans, but we don't do that here because we have to be hygienic so we gonna get what we want. So this is what I'm actually doing. So I'm blending clockwise, and I do blend anti-clockwise too, just to bring it out for the sake of those that has this type of blender. Okay, this is what I do, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, so here is my tomato juice, which I'm gonna turn it inside my plate. This is the plate I'm using. Okay, that is the tomato juice. So I'm gonna separate this now, these two things now. Okay, so while leaving my tomato here, it's time for me to blend my cucumber. So this cucumber, I don't have a real blender which I'm supposed to chop it. What I'll do is I'm gonna use my grater to grate it. Okay, this is the local grater given to me by my mom. This grater is mainly found in the southern part of Nigeria. I don't know whether other parts of Nigeria has this type of grater. It's actually made from by crafters. It's made by crafters, those that do craft work. Okay, craft workers and or craft makers. I don't know what to name it. Don't mind me. I didn't do English, so when it comes to English, I've been mixing it. So this is what I do. I'm blending my cucumber now. Okay, I'm gonna add both the seeds of the cucumber, likewise the tomato. I added the tomato seeds inside my tomato juice because that's the part that we really need most. So I'll keep blending this. Okay, I'll keep creating it and add it inside. I'm sure you're seeing what I'm doing. Okay, this is what I'm doing. I'll go ahead and create it. Okay, and still add it inside my tomato. So I think this is enough. Okay, because it's greenish. I used just two balls of tomato and half of my big cucumber. So I'm gonna turn these two ingredients together. That's my tomato and cucumber juice. Okay, this is how it looks like, more like soup. So I'm gonna turn this inside a bowl, then I'll be taking it, okay, inside plate. So I'll be taking it. Join me while I take my tomato and cucumber juice for anti-aging. So guys, here is my blended tomato juice and cucumber juice, which is mixed together, and it's looking more like soup. Here is it with the seeds inside. So I'm gonna be taking these two things help, as I said, that these two things gonna help you to look younger than your age. Is actually an anti-aging food. Yes, I'll call it food. I won't say it's mixture. It's a food. This tastes so nice. So I'm gonna be taking this for the next 3 days. You can equally be taking it maybe once in a week or thrice in a week, just to get yourself back if you really want to look fresh. You know, when you want to look fresh, this is for you. Tomato and cucumber is the best anti-aging food you can ever take. Tomato juice and cucumber juice mixed together. A lot of people have not taken this before anyway, but they really need to try these two things. It tastes nice. When I say nice, it's super nice. I'm yet to finish it. So I'm gonna finish this. It's almost done anyway. So guys, I'm gonna be ending here. For the sake of those that has anything to ask me, can equally go straight to the comment section down close to you there and drop your comment on what you feel about this video. And as well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends on how to look younger than their real age in 2020. You know, today is actually this is still 2020 anyway. How to just look younger than your age before the year runs out. So I'm gonna stop here, and as I said, you shouldn't forget to subscribe, and as well turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified on other videos I'm creating. So thank you so much for stopping by and sticking since the first period I started this video till this time. Thank you so much for stopping by and sticking around to see my video. Love you guys all. Bye bye.